Why hello, I'm teaching my first class today over at Locally Crafted. Teaching a design that I know like the back of my hand, these space shoes. It's a signature design for me. It was the first pair of shoes that I sold and it's what made me want to really start a business. And hopefully everybody's gonna have a good time. It's like an intimate class, I only have about 3 students, but that's perfectly okay. It's good practice and I have many more designs up my sleeves. Come along with me every step of the way while I prepare and hopefully enjoy myself this evening. I already packed everything. I just need to finish getting ready and leave. It's a little bit further out than where I live. It's not that bad, but I go there a lot, but there's traffic because it's Friday evening. So I am probably going to try and leave early. I have to feed my cat before I leave because I won't get back until about 8:30. So you get an early dinner. Are you excited? Is that your excited meow? Didn't sound very excited to me. Oh, that is your excited meow, I guess. I'm gonna leave the rest of it so she can finish it. She usually snacks all day, so that's your dinner. Enjoy yourself, and I will be back later. Make sure I bring my water bottle because my asthmatic ass cannot talk to anybody for a long period of time without water. Guys, it looks like it's gonna rain. It's a good thing I left early. Jesus. Just got an emergency alert on my phone, so we're very close to the exit, but that doesn't mean I still get out of the rain. I just get off on the highway. I chose quite a night for this. Made it. I can't decide if this is going to be as calm as it's going to be, and maybe I should go inside, or should I wait a little while? I don't know. But that was definitely an adventure. Definitely early, but I'm not going to wait around to see if the storm's going to get worse. That's not my style. So let's go in. Hi. No worries, I just wasn't going to wait around for the storm to get worse. I think so. About 15 more minutes. That went really well. I thought I was going to know somebody there, but I didn't. And that's fine. I've met some great people and I have so much confidence now. I think I could do this again for sure. I'm sweating because I just walked all the way down to get myself potbelly and I forgot how far it was. I forgot how long that was to walk down there. But I am proud of myself for walking instead of driving down. I just thought that parking would be a nightmare and I have 2 legs and I need to do more walking anyway. So I'm just shoving sandwich in my face and then I'm gonna go home. I used to do that all the time when I was younger. Anyway, I got my dinner and I'm going to go home, and it was a very successful workshop and I definitely look forward to doing more pretty soon. It was easy. People wanted to be there. They wanted to learn. I like that. And I might do one for kids. I think I could do that. And I have all kinds of designs I could do. And if I'm super ambitious, I can even teach some people how to draw, maybe. But anyway, yeah, I had a great time. So thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, make sure you like, follow, and subscribe. Comment if you like. And I'll do more because I had fun. So I like to do fun things. Thank you.